Ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to pay someone back, but they didn't have cash? Or maybe you needed to split a dinner bill with friends and fumbling with multiple payment apps just made things more complicated. Well, what if I told you there's an app that makes sending and receiving money as easy as sending a text message? That app is Venmo. It's not just a payment app, it's a social way to handle money, and in this video, we're going to break down exactly how you can use it to send money instantly. No more "I'll pay you back later." With Venmo, later is now. First things first, you'll need the app. It's available on both the App Store and Google Play. Once you've downloaded it, sign up with your email, Facebook, or phone number. You'll link your bank account or debit card, and you're good to go. Now for the fun part, sending money. On the home screen, you'll see a blue button with a pencil icon. Tap that, and you're at the payment screen. You can search for a friend by their username, phone number, or email. Venmo even lets you sync your contacts to find friends already on the app. Once you've selected your friend, enter the amount you want to send. Here's where Venmo gets its social flavor. You can add a note describing the payment. Think of it as a mini caption for your transaction. Did you pay for coffee? Write coffee. Did you split a pizza? Use a pizza emoji. This note isn't just for fun, it's a handy way to remember what each transaction was for. You can also choose if you want the transaction to be public, visible to friends, or private. Once you've added the note and chosen your privacy setting, hit pay. And that's it. The money is instantly transferred to your friend's Venmo account. They can then either keep the money in their Venmo balance for future payments or transfer it to their bank account. And the best part? It's usually free to send money from your linked bank account or debit card. There's a small fee if you use a credit card, but for everyday payments, Venmo keeps it simple and free. So, whether you're paying back a friend for lunch, chipping in for a birthday gift, or splitting the rent with a roommate, Venmo makes it instant, easy, and even a little social. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.